Over the weekend, there was a big announcement from President Trump as the FDA is going to issue an emergency authorization use for what's called convalescent plasma. That's taken from the blood of people who've recovered from COVID-19.
Agency's commissioner says data from studies earlier in the year show it may be effective for treating the illness. Alexander Leslie joining us now to explain more details about this potential treatment.
So the emergency use authorization does not mean it's some kind of cure for COVID-19, and it's not an outright approval for the convalescent plasma either. It allows the agency to expand access to the use of this, and in the meantime, it also helps the FDA gather data and more plasma at the same time. So as we mentioned, this comes from those who have recovered from COVID-19, and it might contain antibodies to fight against the virus. The FDA says it determined it's reasonable to believe that this convalescent plasma can do two things: lessen the severity or shorten the length of illness in hospitalized COVID-19 patients. U.S. Health and Human Services says the plasma has reached 70,000 patients in the U.S. so far, and the FDA adds the known and potential benefits when used to treat the virus outweigh the known and potential risks.
If the data continue to pan out, 100 people who are sick with COVID-19, 35 would have been saved because of the administration of plasma. If you're one of those 35 out of 100 people who these data suggest or show survive as a result of it, this is pretty significant for that person and their family.
Now, the FDA is still going to be evaluating data through clinical trials, and that EUA can be pulled or revised at any time. Live in Pawtucket, Alexander Leslie, Eyewitness News.